These are how to make a woman really, really vulnerable around you, to chase you, to open up themselves for you, to give their totality, their whole heart towards you. These are the ways you can achieve that. Number one is accept compliment without deflecting or deviating or making excuses. For instance, you bought her something and she's just so overwhelmed by it, by the gift you bought her. She's just so happy, she's thanking you. With that kind of women emotion, you know how women can be emotional. She's just so emotional and so vulnerable because you bought her gifts. Just accept the compliment. Thank you, you are welcome, anything for you, baby. Instead of saying, that is just how I am. I do it for everyone around me. I do it for people that I love. It will just give her that sense of, oh, it's not really that special. So you do it for every girl next door. Any girl you see, you buy gifts or you just buy presents for. So this is not even special. All right? Even if she wants to use that to take you seriously, she'll say, I have actually hit a jackpot. I've gotten the best man, a husband material, a boyfriend material, who remembers to buy gifts. She will not say that, that is how you used to do it to every girl. You don't even see it as anything special. She will not really be vulnerable with you because you have told her that that is how you are. You are the man of everybody. You are the man of every girl that you meet. Can go out there now and see somebody and dash them gifts. So that is not a special thing. That is not a special thing for you to do to her. So instead of just perambulating, and that is how I am, I do it for everybody. I did it for this, my neighbor. I did it for my neighbor's daughter. I did it for this. Just say, you are welcome, baby. Anything for you, baby. You know I love you. That's just a token of my love for you. That is to show you how much I love you. Make it about her so that she'll feel special. You understand? Don't make it that, that is how I used to do. It will make her mind go wide for you. To make her mind to just embrace you. To give her that butterfly in the stomach. Women, we love to feel that butterfly in our stomach too much. If we are not feeling that butterfly in our stomach, if we are not feeling that love, we think that the man does not really love us like that. As long as there is no butterfly in our tummy. So with all those sweet words, because you love her, that is why you got it for her, to make her feel special for all the things that she's doing, to show her how much you love her. That is why you bought it. Fine, it's okay. Accept the compliment that she told you. Babe, thank you so much. You say you are welcome. You can say anything for you, baby. It's a token of my love for you. Simple and short. Accept compliments. And also, women used to do this thing. For instance, a woman finished cooking and her food tastes nice. A man wants to compliment, babe, this food tastes nice. That is how she will now start explaining. And I did not even put Maggi. I did not even put salt. And I did not even put pepper. I didn't even know that it will come out nice. Wow. Okay. I did not even put water. Just say thank you, baby. As a woman, women used to do it too. And it's always particularly on food. Most times, because a woman will not give you her money now, and most women will not give you her money. So it's particularly on food. When they cook finish, once they just praise the food, say it's sweet, they say something that I was sleeping while cooking, something that I was lying down while cooking, I was just doing it casually. They don't just fling Maggi inside the pot, just fling pepper. I don't even know, I did not even turn it. I don't even know that it's going to come out nice. Accept compliments without deflating. That is number one. As a man, accept compliments without deflating. If you want to make her vulnerable to chase you. Number two is remember her small gestures. Observe the little things that she have done and compliment her for it. Compliment her for every little thing that she does. It will make her to feel so safe with you and vulnerable to be around you. It will make her feel so secure with you. If she does anything in the house, as a girlfriend, maybe your girlfriend will come over, clean your house, and you went out, you just came in. Be observant. You came in and saw everywhere sparkling clean. Wow, see how everywhere is sparkling. Babe, you cleaned the house? Wow, thank you so much. You are a lifesaver. For a boyfriend, you will say you are a lifesaver because some of you, once you start dating, you now take it as a bragging right. That your woman should come and clean for you is your right. That your woman should come and clean for you as a boyfriend or as a fiancé. No, compliment her for it. Don't take it as a bragging right. I'm her man, I'm her boyfriend. She's my woman. She's supposed to come and clean for me. She's supposed to come and cook for me. Tell her, babe, you're a lifesaver. Without you, I would have just come back from work now and start cleaning. If not for you. She cooks for you in the kitchen. Observe it and praise her. Thank her for it. Don't take it as a bragging right. Maybe she now cook finish. You went to the kitchen, you are smelling the aroma of food. Babe, you cooked. Wow, thank you so much. You are such a good cook. You have saved me some energy that I would have come back and cook. As a boyfriend, don't take it as a bragging right. Even as a wife, a woman is a helpmeet, not the head of the family. It's a helpmeet to you, to meet your needs, not a slave, not an house help. So observe these little things that your women does and compliment them, praise them for it, to make them feel safe, to make them feel secure. Particularly these ones, boyfriends, don't take it as a bragging right that she's supposed to come and cook for you or clean for you. Whenever she does these things, this takes me to number 3. Reward her for it. Buy little present and identify it as, because you did this thing. Name them because of what you clean to freshen you up. You can even buy as little as juice. But when you are buying the juice, it's not just buying for the house. You are buying the juice and you are saying, to calm your nerves down. I know you have overworked yourself. You can even take from the juice, but make it about her trying for the work that she has done in the house. So whenever she does anything in the house, get little presents, gifts to appreciate her for it. When she cooks, she clean, she does anything for you, buy little presents to appreciate her and make it about her. Make her the center of the gift. Even if you are going to take part of the gift, maybe if it's edible gift, but make it about her. You can buy her any other gift apart from edible one, so that you don't just always come and partake in the gift. You can buy her hair, can buy her phone, can buy her shoe, bag, watch, whatever you can afford or whatever she likes. A present is a present. You can just even gift her. So, but make it about her and the fact that she's trying for you and the fact that she's easing off your burden as a bachelor. It's not your bragging right for her to do the things she's doing for you, cleaning and washing. If she does all those ones as a girlfriend, which one is she going to be doing as a wife? So it's not your right, all right? So when she does it, you gift her for it. You appreciate her for it. You make her feel safe and feel seen that she's even doing it. Observe the little things. Be sensitive. There are some men that are so insensitive. A woman will do everything. They are not seeing anything. You understand? But be an observant man. Women love an observant man a lot. Go and ask any woman. They love a man that is so sensitive to whatever they are doing, no matter how little it is. She pick a pin. You say, babe, you see that pick a pin from here? That pin was dangerous being on the floor. Thank you so much for picking it up. Women love it. Go and ask any woman. You don't even need to break a bank to please a woman. As a man, you don't need to break a bank to please a woman. Only words of love, words of assurance, words of affirmation, words of encouragement, words of praises. Just do it to a woman. A woman is okay. Observe, be sensitive to whatever they are doing. Even if their hair is old, you don't have money. The fact that you saw that the hair is old and said that this hair is old, a woman will fall in love with you more. You understand? Even if you don't have money to give her for hair, but you notice that the hair is old and needs to be changed, and need to be removed, and need to be loose. You mentioned it, a woman will fall in love with you. That is how much soft women are. And they will love you, they will feel safe that you're even noticing these things, that you're even observing. He saw my hair that is looking old. Sometimes they will even tell you, say, don't worry, let me just manage it till next week. Let me just carry it till next week. If you come and insist, no, let me try and see if I can get money this week and you remove it. It's old. I want you to be looking good for me. Only that, just be going. Go America. Go Kavanchan and come back. She'll wait for you. Now, little things, they make woman fall in love. It's not the big things. It's not the money. But words of, words that show that you care. Whenever a woman notices that you really care, her skin is not looking bright, you talk about her skin. Babe, it seems your cream has finished. you are looking darker. She will now, we just like communication. We just like communication as women. Anything that will just make us to be in talking terms with you, whether you are going to solve the problem then or not. Just notice the things, observe it, and comment about them. Babe, your face is not looking bright. Oh, have your cream finished? Let me see how this week is going to be at work. Let me raise some money for you to go and buy a cream, buy your body cream. Just that. A woman can even tell you, say, don't worry, just keep working. Make God just bless you. Even if we cannot afford cream now, we will afford it later. All I need for you to do is to be hustling, babe. Now, person wey you want make him buy body cream, now they encourage you, they tell you, say, no worry about cream, that she will be okay. So, but because you have said it, she'll be very, very safe with you and secure with you. And that is it on this one. Thank you so much for watching. I remember I'm humble self Chika. Please stay tuned to my channel as I bring you tips for a healthy lifestyle. See you in my next one.